In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free storage on Google Drive and see Google One plans. By the end, you'll know exactly where to check your current storage, how to view upgrade options if you ever need more, and how to start using your free space right away. First, open any web browser and go to one.google.com. This is the home of Google One, which is Google's storage management and subscription hub. It's where you can see how much space you have and what options are available to you. Sign in with your Google account. This should be the same account you use for Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to see information that's specific to your account. Next, look for the option that says See the plans and click it. This section lays out your current plan and any available upgrades in a clear, side-by-side view, making it easy to compare. You'll notice your current plan shows that every Google account includes 15 gigabytes of free storage. That space is yours permanently, and it's shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. It's not a trial and it doesn't expire. Think of it as your baseline storage for documents, images, and backups. If you think you might need more space down the road, scroll through the available paid plans. You'll typically see options like Light, Basic, and Standard. Each plan offers more storage than the free tier, and in many regions they may come with extra benefits. The exact storage amounts and pricing can vary by location, and you'll see the details clearly listed for your account. Keep an eye out for promotional offers as you browse. You might see discounted first months or other limited time deals next to each plan. These promotions are designed to help you try out more storage at a lower initial cost, and the site will show you what the standard rate is after the promotion ends, so you can make an informed decision. If you decide you want to upgrade, click the plan you prefer and follow the on-screen prompts to subscribe. If you're happy with the free storage, you don't need to do anything. Your 15 gigabytes will remain available. Finally, put your free storage to work by saving your files, photos, and backups in Google Drive. Keep your folders organized and give files clear names to make everything easy to find later, and you'll get the most out of your space. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.